The 1000W folding electric bike, featuring a 48V 20.8AH large removable battery, has quickly become a favorite among electric bike enthusiasts and commuters alike. With its powerful motor and impressive specifications, it promises a thrilling riding experience, but does it deliver? After taking this bike for a series of test rides, I'm excited to share my detailed review. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its robust 1000W motor. This level of power is not just for show, it translates into remarkable speed and acceleration. I found that the bike could easily reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour, making it perfect for both casual rides and more demanding commutes. Whether navigating through city traffic or cruising along open roads, the bike's performance left me feeling confident and exhilarated. The motor is responsive, providing smooth acceleration without lag, which is especially beneficial when starting from a stop or climbing hills. The 48V 20.8AH battery is another highlight. Its capacity allows for extended rides without the need for frequent recharges. During my testing, I noticed that the bike could easily cover distances of 40 to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and the level of pedal assist used. The removable design of the battery is particularly convenient, allowing me to charge it indoors or take it with me for added security. It also comes equipped with a battery management system that helps protect against overcharging and enhances the lifespan of the battery. In terms of design, the folding feature makes this electric bike extremely practical for urban commuting. It can be easily folded down in a matter of seconds, making it easy to store in tight spaces or transport in a car or on public transportation. Despite its folding capabilities, the bike feels sturdy when in use. The frame is built from high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring that it remains lightweight without compromising on durability. This balance is crucial for those who may need to carry the bike or lift it into a vehicle. Comfort is paramount in any bike, and this folding e-bike does not disappoint. The saddle is well padded and adjustable, catering to different rider heights. The handlebars can also be adjusted for a more personalized fit, which helps to minimize fatigue during longer rides. Additionally, the bike is equipped with a front suspension fork that absorbs bumps on uneven terrain, providing a smoother ride overall. This feature is particularly beneficial in urban environments where potholes and curbs can be a common nuisance. The bike's braking system is another commendable aspect. It comes with dual disc brakes, which offer reliable stopping power, regardless of the weather conditions. I tested the brakes on inclines and during rapid descents, and I was pleased with their responsiveness and effectiveness. Safety is always a concern when riding at higher speeds, and this bike reassures riders with its reliable braking system. The LCD display on the bike is user-friendly and provides essential information at a glance. Riders can monitor their speed, battery level, distance traveled, and even choose from different pedal assist levels. This feature enhances the riding experience by allowing users to customize their ride according to their preferences or needs. The display is bright and easy to read, even in direct sunlight, which adds to its usability. On the downside, there are a few areas where the bike could improve. For instance, the weight of the bike can be a consideration for some riders. While it's manageable, it may not be ideal for those who need to carry it frequently. Additionally, while the folding mechanisms are generally efficient, I found that they required a bit of practice to master. New users might need some time to get used to folding and unfolding the bike smoothly. Another point worth mentioning is the limited range of colors and styles available. While the design is sleek and modern, a broader selection could appeal to a wider audience. However, this is a minor concern, considering the bike's outstanding performance and practicality. In conclusion, the 1000W folding electric bike stands out as a powerful and versatile option for both commuters and casual riders. Its impressive speed, long-range battery,